Hi, so we're gonna show you how to connect the YouTube Pro with the apps. Alright, so first we have to download the Ecovacs apps, which one I already has been downloaded here. So these apps we can find the Play Store or the Apple Store. Alright, after we download these apps, we have to register first with our email address and we have to create some password. So then we can sign in through that email address and the password. You can use many phone also. Let's say you want to use for 2 device to 3 device, you can use at the same times, but the same password, only one ID you can create for one device. All right, and the same ID and password you can use for many device also at the same times. So as I can hear, already my DVOD has been connected. First I have to disconnect this device. Okay, I disconnect first because I'm gonna show you the new one, so I have to delete. You don't have to do it because you didn't have any connected device to you. Okay, so once you register already, you can see the screen as same like this here. So what you have to do, you have to add a robot. You just press add a robot here, then you choose the robot which one you are going to. Here got many model, so we have to choose this dbot. Here got dbot, so all these things we have to just scroll down here, then we choose these things here, the dbot. Then first one you can see the U2 series, we choose the U2 series. Then we have to put our, first you need to, if like some have no connection with the, what you say, that one is the location. Okay, if the location is device is not open, they will be give you the message the open the location. My device has already open, so that didn't show me. So after that you see the password. This is the house Wi-Fi and password. You have to connect with the house Wi-Fi and password. So this is password. After you put over here, you press next here. After that you have to switch on the device. So the switch on the device, once you do, so this one is the, we go to the robot, capture the robot here. So you can see here there is the robot here. Here got the switch. Okay, so you need to switch on this. This is the off, this is the off. So this device already has been switched on, so make sure your device is switched on already. After switch on, you just press the, this button here is the, press and hold for 10 second, 5 second, like that, until you heard the message from the robot that already reset. All right, so you do hard, you do, you go to the apps. This is the apps over here. So you just press here, I already switch on my device, and the next, then you go to the robot here again, then you press and hold here, press and hold until you listen the beep. Then you go to the apps. Once you listen, that time you just resetting to default settings. So the resetting the default setting, that message giving you from the device. All right, then you press tick there and the next. All right, then you wait for connection the device, the hotspot connection. So this will be take some time to connect it. So connected start already, it will be go through process to 100% all. After that you can use this device. So just to wait for complete the 100%.
Please go back to Ecovacs app to continue the setup.
So after connected, also you have to wait for the 100% complete this processing. So we wait. Okay, so 100% has been done. So as you can see here, over here, this already connected the device, so we done from here. Then this is the inter robot. Okay, we just go to the inter robot from here, so we can go to the, so I need the update or ignore. You can do the update also available, ignore also, I can ignore also. So you can see over here, this is the default auto cleaning. If you want to auto clean, just you press here the auto clean here, so robot will be start, automatically will be clean. So all these features the first time they will be showing you because it's started right now. After that all you okay, all you tick okay, after it will be. So this is the battery life, and this is the features like vacuum power, water flow level, all this is here. So you can choose the cleaning schedule, cleaning log, all this. Then if you like to clean the all house, just you press the auto, automatic will be robot start. So he is starting to clean already. So this robot will be start right now for clean your house. And after that you can stop to the apps, all these things. That's all. Thank you very much.